Okay, today I'm going to try and show you this useful little gizmo I got from Aldi about a week ago now. It was £7 or £8. It's for cooking eggs 3 different ways. You can either do soft boiled, medium boiled, hard boiled, just by, you can take the lid off. You can do between 1 and 6 eggs. You get a measuring jug here. I don't know if that's going to focus. For soft boiled eggs, you just fill to the appropriate level there for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 eggs. For hard boiled eggs, you need to put more water in it. Not sure how that's focusing. And for medium boiled eggs, you see the scale there. So I'm not going to boil an egg today because everybody knows how to do that, but basically just show you, get your egg, and this thing's got a spike in the bottom. You've got to make a hole in the sharp end of the egg to release pressure. Put your egg in, put the appropriate amount of water in, put the lid on, and a few minutes later your egg is done. What you can't normally do with simple little machines like this though, this is why I got it, was you can use it to poach eggs. You get a little tray like that with 2 sections, so you can do 2 eggs in that. That sits on top of the boiled egg tray. Or what I find particularly useful is, I always mess these things up when I try to do them in a frying pan. So you got a tray there which you can do an omelette in. As you can probably tell already, I haven't made a video for a very long time, probably 6 or 7 years. I want to get back into it. This might be a boring subject, but this is what I thought I'd do for the first video. I got a proper video light. I've got a little 1080p camera, whereas I always used to use my phone. So and I've got a black backdrop, so hopefully you can see the steam coming off to show the cooking process. I mean, I'm a complete novice at making these videos, but you know, I thought, what the hell, I'll give it a go. So I am going to do the omelette. All I need to do, it says for an omelette, fill the measuring jug up to like the 1 or 2 egg, soft boiled egg position, and pour that into the machine. Now I've already got some egg mixture mixed up. What I've got in here is 2 medium-sized eggs, and I've mixed a bit of salt and cheese into it and just whisked the egg mix up. So let's put that in there. This should take about 5 minutes. I thought this is great for someone who sort of lives on their own or wants something quick, or you know, they can do up to 6 eggs. So I mean, that's quite good for a family as well. Now that's going to take about 5 minutes. I'll leave it recording all that time, but I'm not going to show that. I bought myself some editing software, so you know, never used it before, I ain't got a clue what I'm doing. You know, and I'll probably get that in the comments, you're a complete idiot. Well, I already know that, but yeah, I'll try and put it on fast forward to skip through this part of it. But I don't know if you can hear that, it's starting to sizzle already. But I'm just basically trying things I've never tried before. I've just bought a entry-level metal detector, so I'm going to be down on the beach. I live in South Devon here, so there's plenty of beaches: Paynton, Torquay, Brixham, Teignmouth, Sheldon. Those are places I can go doing metal detecting. So I'll be doing metal detecting videos. I'm also into electronics, so I'll be making some electronics videos. but I'll just go with this as the first attempt. Right, you can see that steaming up now. Getting difficult to see through. Sizzle, sizzle. Right, I'm going to shut up now because I'm just going to skim through this bit when it comes to editing. Oh yeah, and I noticed my backdrop as well. I used a black backdrop because I thought that would show up the steam better. But I can see that even with the camera set to narrow view, you can still see to the left and right of my backdrop because it's not wide enough. So that's pretty hopeless to start with. Anyway. Okay, the horrible screen indicates that it's finished cooking. So we'll turn that off. And the book says to take the lid off and ideally remove the tray from the cooker. But I've got nothing to put it down on because I'm totally disorganised. But leave it for 5 minutes, it says, to cool down. But I've already had several of these omelettes and they are really quite nice, really tasty. So I'm not going to try this one. I had too many eggs yesterday and I'm not going to go into it, but I've got problems today through eating too many eggs yesterday. Let's just say I've got to run pretty fast sometimes. Well, one thing I forgot to mention about the poached egg tray there is you don't need to put any water in there. Other steamers I've had in the past, you have to like float the egg in water, which is a right damn nuisance because a lot of the times you can't tell if the egg white is still a bit snotty, you know, too soft, because it's mixed in with the water. But on a regular steamer, but with this thing, because you don't have to put any water with it, you can actually see pretty much if it's cooked to your liking or not. So there you go, short little video. Now I've got to install the editing software on my computer and try and work out how the hell to use that, because I ain't got a clue, but we'll give it a go. Okay, thanks for giving me a few minutes for me to experiment. If you like it, hit like or leave a comment. Any suggestions, you know, even if it's like give up, you don't stand a chance, there's no hope, whatever, encouragement will be better. Just let me know. Okay, thanks for watching.